Aloha and welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Ben Fieman, and today you're gonna get a behind-the-scenes look at my family business, Loco Boutique, as we take you on an exclusive tour of the bikini manufacturing process. Get ready to dive into our world of Hawaiian swimwear. Let's go. My family started Loco Boutique back in 1978. Since then, it has grown to 10 stores worldwide, mainly in Hawaii, Guam, Saipan, and Japan. Everything is vertically integrated here, which means all of the design, manufacturing, and retail is all done by the same company. Loco Boutique is the only company that produces local Hawaiian-made bikinis at scale. It's pretty amazing to be able to come up with the design in the morning, lay it out on the computer, print it, cut it, sew it, and take that same bikini with you home that very night. Come on, I'll show you how it's all done. It all starts here at the pattern making department, where we create the blank canvas for the bikini. We do multiple fit model testing just to make sure we get the right fit. Next step is we design the bikini using artwork from Adobe Illustrator. We use these RGB codes so we can basically print any color out there, even photos. The possibilities are endless. After the design is made on the computer, it is sent to one of these special printers that contain sublimation ink. The ink just rests directly onto the paper and it's ready to be transferred over to the fabric. The next step is over here at the heat press, where we basically put a roll of paper and a roll of fabric and sandwich them together using pressure and 400 degrees Fahrenheit of heat to transfer the ink from the paper onto the fabric. After all of the pieces of the fabric are cut out, it's sent over here to the sewing department in order to be able to put together into a bikini. We have many different sewing machines here that have a variety of functions. This one here actually creates the spaghetti strings in order to tie your bikinis together. After the bikinis are sewn up, they are sent here to be tagged, packaged, and warehoused. We don't keep any back inventory in our stores and instead have a model stock of one bikini in each size and each color. Therefore, when a bikini is sold, it is ordered here at the warehouse and shipped to the store the very next day. That helps us to maximize the number of bikinis for sale at our retail locations. We're able to eliminate waste by controlling the inventory and only reordering the bikinis that are selling well in our stores. Now we are in the Loco Boutique showroom at the office, where you can experience the vibrant colors and stunning designs that are ready to be shipped out to stores. It even has my line of swimwear I created called Kaimana Beachwear. With its Hawaiian-made craftsmanship and friendly staff, Loco Boutique is the perfect place for your next bikini. Now I picked out the perfect bikini for my client, and now let's go check out her Ilikai Marina unit that I'm selling. This spacious 651 square foot, one bedroom corner unit also has this amazing 84 square foot outdoor lanai with picturesque views of the boat harbors. Whether you're seeking a permanent residence, a second home, or a vacation rental investment opportunity, this unit offers great potential. My seller is also selling that ocean cruiser boat located right across the street for $115,000. Let's go for a quick ride. I'm Ben Fieman with Compass Hawaii Real Estate. Thank you so much for joining us on this exciting journey as we toured the bikini manufacturing process at Loco Boutique, as well as Ilikai Marina right here in Waikiki. Stay tuned for more captivating segments as we tour more local businesses and real estate here in Hawaii. I'll see you next time on The American Dream. Mahalo.